This is Jamie Drummond for Good Food Revolution. I'm here at Biff's Bistro with none other than Chef Amanda Ray. How are you, Amanda?
Good, thank you.
So you've been having a few renovations down here at Biff's Bistro. I believe you had a little bit of a flood and some changes have been happening both in the front of house and in the menu. Tell us a bit about that.
It's been a nice change. Very different, 2-month hiatus from working in the restaurant and the kitchen. We've had a complete renovation in the front of house. The restaurant's beautiful, revitalized, got a little facelift, which is fantastic for spring. But also we've changed the whole menu. Lunch and dinner, kind of using all the seasonal bounty that we have coming up for spring. Lots of amazing greens and sort of featuring different suppliers that we love to use, and sort of featuring amazing fish, some of the farms that we really have great partnerships with.
Now you've been using seasonal ingredients for a long time here at Biff's. That's part of your kind of signature menu. But you've also been using the same suppliers for a long time. Who are you using today?
So we have an amazing relationship with Organic Ocean, Steve Johansson from the West Coast. Yeah. So we've been getting a lot of fish from him over the years. He provides us with amazing albacore tuna right now. As well, we've been using Fogo Island for cod and crab, and that's an amazing story. We're paying a living wage to the fishermen, which is fantastic. So we have a cod and crab dish that's a duo at dinner time. Acadian sturgeon for an appetizer that's a smoked sturgeon with gazpacho, so it's seasonal and nice and green and amazing.
What draws you to sturgeon? Sturgeon's an interesting fish to play about with, and sometimes I find it a little bit tough, but this evening when I taste your smoked sturgeon, it was very, very lightly smoked, but also very tender. How do you do that?
We do a nice cure on it for about 2 days. It's a sugar salt cure with lots of herbs, and then we just do a light smoke on it. Sturgeon's an amazing fish. I've always enjoyed it from the time that I was working at Canoe, and we had it on some of our main courses. And we wanted just to try something different. So that was where we went with sturgeon.
Now you also have a few twists on the old classics on the new menu, which is quite interesting.
Bringing back some throwbacks, so Duchess potatoes, getting a little facelift with some nettle puree, beef tenderloin, wild mushrooms, and a foie mousse. That's a great dinner main course.
I think one of the biggest throwbacks I heard about was the return of the fondue in Toronto, which is quite fantastic. Tell us a little bit about that.
So that starts this coming Sunday, and we're doing fondue for two, $37.95. It's my classic fondue mix. It has 3 different cheeses, and we've partnered with Cheese Boutique, Afram, and he's helped to come in and he's creating our cheese. He's going to have it sold at Cheese Boutique, the Biff's blend. And also it's going to be a really fun opportunity because I love fondue, and I remember traveling through France, and that was just a highlight for me.
May I ask which 3 cheeses you have in there?
Yes. So we have Appenzeller, Gruyere cheese, and Emmenthal.
Okay, that sounds...
And obviously, Kirsch, white wine.
No raclette in there?
No raclette in this one.
Okay.
Maybe
well,
next.
I'm a big fondue fan. Not being a child of the... Well, no, I guess I am a child of the 70s. I am a child of the 70s, but I wasn't eating fondue at that point. We didn't really have that in Scotland. But I'm a big fondue fan, so I'll be sure to come and check that out. Amanda, always a pleasure to hang about with you and have a chat. Thank you very much for joining us at Good Food Revolution today.
Anytime.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.